She's a-waiting in the meadow where the wildflowers grow. She's a-waiting in the meadow with the letter that I sent her. Tell the engineer this train's too slow. I told her to meet me in the woodrow where we used to meet so long ago. Thought I missed a train down the road. Told her, can't you hear the calling? Tell the engineer this train's too slow. Tell the engineer this train's too slow. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Tell him pull that choke, give her throttle. Tomorrow morning I'll be with my darling. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Well, the sun will be shining in her eyes as she waits neath that weeping willow. But when that evening train arrives, she'll think that I'll have lied. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Tell him pull that choke, give her throttle. Tomorrow morning I'll be with my darling. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Train's pulling into the station. I hear that sound that turns my blood cold. Far across the rolling hills, tolling church bells. Tell the engineer this train's too slow. Well, they found her lying in the woodrow. My gun lay on the grass below. They found beneath that tree where she said she'd marry me. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Tell him pull that choke, give her throttle. Tomorrow morning I'll be with my darling. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Well, they laid her to rest in the churchyard where the wildflowers grow. They laid her to rest in a snow-white wedding dress. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Tell him pull that choke, give her throttle. Tomorrow morning I'll be with my darling. Tell the engineer his train's too slow. Tell the engineer his train's too slow.